guys? Welcome to my channel. So, CVS, yes. I don't know what it was, but I think CVS today was probably the worst hauls I've ever done. No, I got some stuff, and Christmas hit 90% off. So, first of all, number one, I didn't get a CRTs again. Multiple people have said that they have contacted CVS and they say that they need to like reset something, which I think is kind of bullcrap. But they said that you need to wait like 2 days and then you'll start getting them. Every single person said they have waited over a week and nothing still has happened. So I don't know, that they need to get their butt in gear, because if this many people are contacting them that something's not working, then they need to get their system corrected. The thing is, like, I want to continue couponing and share deals with you guys, but it's like I rely on those CRTs to share with you guys more deals. But I barely even got anything, and it wasn't actually worth my trip to go and get it. You know, it just wasn't, and it's stuff that I get all the time anyways. So, I don't know what's going on with that, you guys, but, you know, lucky if you guys do get them. I have no idea. But if you do sign up for, like, a second card, make sure you cancel your, that pass thing. Like, I was like, oh, I could just start using my second card. But number one, I will lose all my extra care bucks, and then I'm in that care pass thing. So, it's up to you guys what you want to do. Then I get to the machine, and there's one new cashier. I've never seen him. He's just a young kid. I've never seen him, which is fine. And then the red machine was not working. It had like some kind of mountain picture on it. So the red machine was not working, period. Could not scan it, nothing. So I get there and I go straight toward the Christmas stuff, and like they had, sorry, there's something in my eye, it's been bothering me all day. They had some decent Christmas stuff, and I'll share with you guys what I got, but I couldn't price check anything. So then I kind of walked around the store to see if I could find any other Christmas stuff, and I did find some stuff. But otherwise, like, it just did not go well. And then I'll share with you guys the other bad thing that happened when I get to the registers. So I ended up getting another popcorn tin. We had some friends over last night and everybody just ate all that popcorn. So I'm like, okay, let's see if this went down. So this actually went down to $1.99, you guys. $1.99. My store had a ton of them. I go and talk to the employee. I'm like, hey, you might want to go put these over by the Christmas stuff. He's like, where did you find those? And I'm like, they're over by the bathroom. Like, they've been sitting there since day one that they got these. I says, why don't you put them by the Christmas stuff? And he's like, well, the store manager doesn't want them by the Christmas stuff. And I'm like, okay, they'd sell better if you guys had them by the Christmas stuff. But I ended up getting a couple of them, but I had to do a separate transaction because Grandma sent me back in to go get it. But $1.99 for a popcorn tin, I think is a great deal. We love popcorn, plus I love those tins. So, got that. I also got this color changing LED Christmas lights. These were $9.99. It says it's got a built-in 6-hour timer. I thought these are cute. Ben's always trying to turn things on, and I thought this would be kind of cute for Christmas. I like the glitter. So for 99 cents, you can't go wrong with that. 99 cents. I ended up just getting this thing of lights. These were these were $12.49, so I paid $1.29 for this. I really wanted to get LED lights, and I really wanted to get colored lights, but my store didn't have that kind of stuff, so I just got these because I plan on decorating my yard up bigger next year. So I got that for $1.29, and I'm surprised they had this, but they had a roll, because I ended up getting 5 of these boxes, and I'm like, no, we'll get this one because I don't like constantly connecting these. So this is a 300, and I got this for $2.49. So this was originally $24.99. So I was excited for that. So that's what I got for Christmas next year. This was sitting over in the toy section. I ended up last week, and I know it was 70% off last week, and I was eyeing it up. I'm like, okay, we're gonna have to see if it's on sale this week. So I grabbed a couple things that had them price check it, but not everything rung up. But this did. This is a Christmas item. But this was just $1.49. It says it's a travel blanket, which it's a small one, but I'm actually gonna bring this in the car because my son refuses to wear shoes and socks when he gets in the van or the vehicle, and he's always complaining he's cold because it takes a while for the heat to get on, and he doesn't want to put his shoes on because he leaves those in the car. So I thought I'm just gonna get a blanket for him to, like, you know, warm up in. So this is perfect for like when we go in the vehicle for him. And then I got some other stuff I'll share with you guys. That I ended up getting this like little snowman bowling set. Ben's like, that is cool. 49 cents. 49 cents. I'm like, yeah, for 49 cents I'll get it for you, you little man. I'll get it for you. And then my store still had some of the Blistex things. I didn't even check the price for these, you guys. I knew they were probably like maybe 29 cents or something like that. I don't know. I forgot to totally look, but they only had 3 left, and that's what I took because I've said this multiple times. I love chapstick. I also got this little dart thing. I thought this would be cool for Ben to just kind of play at the table. It's a little magnetic dartboard, so great for that. Now, they still have the movies there. Nobody bought any movies since I was there last week. Not one person bought movies since I was there last week. And I'm like, man, I could have bought the DVDs that I bought last week. But these were ringing up 59 cents, you guys. So I ended up getting Looney Tunes Christmas Bah Humbug. Then I got this one. I was looking at this one last week, but 59 cents. And I did open, these are like, they say they're brand new, like they've never even been opened. So the movie I got last week, I actually did get a digital copy, and I was super excited about that. So that was my Christmas haul, you guys, for 90% off. I spent like 12 bucks for all that stuff. $12. I thought that was a pretty good deal considering everything I got. I wanted to get some like blankets and pillows, but somebody got there and they just had their whole entire cart filled with the pillows and blankets, and I'm like, whatever. Don't get heartbroken. If you can't get it, it doesn't mean anything. I shouldn't be heartbroken over it. But yeah, so I ended up having zero CRTs. I'm like, I'm just gonna get in and out of CVS because I have no CRTs, but none of the things were, there was only one person working. I walked several areas, could not find a second person. I'm like, seriously, you only have one person working? Nothing was tagged, and I'm just like, oh, it's going to be a nightmare because I can't price check anything, you know, so I figured it out, but it wasn't like the greatest haul, but you know what, we just made do. So this is $9.99. I used a $3 off coupon that I had. You guys would just pay $6.99 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.99. So I feel like $1.99 is a pretty decent deal considering you go from 10 bucks for that. The hauls, these were $2.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $1.50 off of 2 coupons, so you guys would pay $2.68 for this. But then you get a $2 extra care buck, making them just 68 cents. That's 34 cents a piece. So yes, I ended up doing the where'd the other one go? I did the ladies speed stick and the men's speed stick, so I had 50% off coupons. These were 2 for $6. I used 2 50% off coupons that we got in our inserts. I paid $5 for the both of these. You get a $3 extra care buck back, making them just $2. So $1 a piece. Deodorant, deodorant is usually like $1 and under for some stuff like that, but again, no CRTs, and I wanted to still share with you guys because a lot of people are not getting any CRTs, period. So I still wanted to share with you guys some deals for the people who are not getting anything. I ended up getting the Sally Extreme nails. I actually just painted my daughter's nails the other day, and she looks so cute. She's just like, look at, you know, I was talking to my mom on the phone, like actually talking to her, and I'm like, Charlotte, you gotta tell Grandma June that you got your nails painted, and she's like showing, you know, that it was so cute. So I'm like, I got nail polish for my baby. So these were $3.99. I bought 2 of them and paid $7.98 for this. You get a $5 extra care buck, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. I thought that's still a pretty good deal. I got myself some Oreos. These were $1 a piece. I had a 75-cent off a 2 coupon. Funny thing is, I didn't get that coupon. It was from last week's inserts. Last week I went to go get newspapers, and there was not any inserts in those newspapers at all. Today I go and get the newspapers, and they actually had last week's inserts in today's papers, and I'm just like, really? Like, seriously? That's so weird. But anyways, I used that 75-cent off a 2 coupon. You guys would just get this for $1.25. So $1.25, 75 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. My family and I love the Oreos, so we got that. And then the last item I got is the cornflakes. I did want to get another flavor of cereal that would qualify for Ibotta, but nothing was marked. I couldn't price scan anything, so I just made do. I did grab the Raisin Bran, but that rang up regular price, so I'm like, I'll just go grab another cornflakes. So these were $1.99. I used a $1 off a 2 printable coupon that we got from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.98 for this, but then you can submit a 40-cent rebate and a 40-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.18 for 2 of them. So that's like $1.09 a piece. So pretty decent deal for some cereal. I kind of make some chicken with that. I crumple it up and I made some baked chicken with that, which I should do. I should do that again, actually. So that was my haul, you guys. It was kind of lame. So the thing is, I said, okay, what I usually ask them to do is total it up, and then I say, okay, then after that I'll pay with extra care bucks. And I'm like, that's right, not paying with any extra care bucks whatsoever. So I said, please tell me what my total is before tax. And he's like $28.88. And I'm like, okay, so that's before tax. And he said, yeah. So I go and give him $28 of extra care bucks. And so I had to pay like 71 cents for tax, but it came to $0. It came to $0 for everything. And so I'm like, okay. Well then, as I get home, I explained to him, I said, you don't want to give more extra care bucks than what your actual total is. Some areas are different. It all depends on your state. But I says, if I use it towards my tax, I lose money because I'm not supposed to use it towards tax. And he's like, oh, good to know, you know. And another person showed up. He's like, yeah, that's good to know. So then I get home, and on the receipt it says whatever was not used. And I'm like, are you serious? Like, I had an extra buck that I gave him and it did not use. And then I had a $5 or $4 one that I gave him, and it only took $3.88 instead of $4. So I lost like 22 cents right there. Thankfully, the $2 one did not work, so I actually don't have that, but I have it on my app, so I just sent that to the card, so I have that for next week. Hopefully, I'll just have to wait and find out in a couple days when it does reset. So it was just kind of a pain in the butt. It was a brand new kid. He's just a kid, like, yeah, just that's all I can say. But yeah, my total came to $0. I ended up using $26 of extra care bucks. I was using $28, but I will be getting that $2 back when it updates. I did receive $21 back of extra care bucks. I got 80 cents back with Ibotta, so my grand total came to $4.20 at 11 items, just 38 cents a piece. So yeah, it was a good haul, but I don't know, just today is just not my day, you guys. Today is not my day for CVS, so I'm hoping everything else turns out pretty good. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys like it, and I will see you guys maybe next week. Hopefully we got some good deals. We will see. If I continue not getting CRTs, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to kind of play it out and see what everybody else does, but yeah, if you guys, again, contacted them a second time, please let me know what their outcome is, because I hate CVS customer service. It's completely not worth my time. Not really worth my time at all, but I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.